Hey, it's Eric G from the Around the House show. Elevate your grilling game with the all-new Monty McGrill's Omni Pro series. The Eminescence 405 is packed with cutting-edge features, blending elegance with expert-level performance. 4 powerful burners plus a side-searing station deliver 60,000 BTUs of precision heat. The Clearview lid lets you keep an eye on your masterpiece without losing heat. Stay in control with the smart Bluetooth app, track your temps, set timers, and get alerts from anywhere. The LED touch panel ensures effortless monitoring, even in bright daylight. Temperature sensing lights keep you grilling anytime, anywhere. This grill is built to last, and it's also backed by a 10-year limited warranty. The Eminescence 405, where power, style, and innovation meet. Check it out and order your new grill at MontyMcGrills.com. That's MontyMcGrills.com.
Here is what is coming up on Saturday's episodes of Around the House with Eric G. Make sure you are subscribed to the podcast on your favorite podcast player. If you want exclusive content and early access, make sure and subscribe to the Around the House Insider. Eric G. sits down with award-winning interior designer Wendy Glasester. They talk about the hottest trends and new products for 2025.
Perfect texture. It was soft. It was black. It was just...
But not creepy.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
No.
Cool, not creepy. That could be their new tagline.
There we go. This is not creepy like the media room at the Greystone Mansion.
Oh, yeah. We talked about that. The other thing I love is the tub, the zero gravity.
Oh, I should have brought a swimsuit. I'd have jumped in that thing. It looks so
because
comfortable.
it fills from the back and it goes right over your shoulders and your neck.
Shoulders?
Oh my gosh. Yeah. That's amazing.
Again, it looks like the right size, the right shape. There is not a more comfortable look.
Happy 37th birthday to the Around the House show. In the second hour, Eric G. talks about his annual spring home maintenance checklist.
If you want to get the most life out of it, maintain that. So when was the last time you had your AC or your heat pump serviced? That's a big one. I want to see them out every year. Because I tell you what, every time I've had a major breakdown, it was because I didn't have it serviced, and it was something that they could have easily caught when they were doing their checks the year before. So that maintenance is really key when you're doing this. So seriously, guys, get on a maintenance plan too. Sometimes if you do this correctly, if you talk to the right professional and find out what brand you have, if you have a Train or Carrier or whatever brand you're looking at, get a hold of one of their people that is one of their best service people out there. See if they were the installer, and if not, find the installation company that did it if they're a licensed place. Get on their service plan. If you get on their service plan, usually that will save you money.
All that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. Are you an Around the House insider? To get the show early with exclusive content, check out the link in the show notes below. Make sure you catch our new website at AroundTheHouseOnline.com. Otherwise, our 2 new episodes publish each Saturday here on your favorite podcast, Flair. Thanks for tuning into Around the House. We will see you on Saturday.
Are you ready for a deep dive into the future of home building? Hey, it's Eric G. from Around the House. We sit down with Champion Homes to tackle some of the biggest challenges in housing today. From affordability to healthier living spaces, they reveal how factory-built homes are revolutionizing the way we live. Find out how Champion Homes is making homeownership more accessible and solving housing problems one home at a time. Don't miss this must-listen episode. Tune into your favorite podcast app or visit AroundTheHouseOnline.com. To find out more about how Champion Homes is changing housing, visit them at championhomes.com.
Check out episode 1946 on your favorite podcast player.